We just got done watching the Netflix series Arcane, League of Legends.
League.
That's what I said, League of Legends.
Okay.
It came out in 2021. It's an action animated series with 9 episodes. Each episode is about 45 minutes or so long. The overview is it orphan sisters Vi and Powder bring trouble to Zaun's underground streets in the wake of a heist in posh Piltover?
Yeah.
Piltover. This was a really good animated series. I'm not that familiar with League of Legends and that brand, but yeah, I like the characters. I like the storyline. Lots and lots of action. Actually, a lot of things I saw in as far as like action, a little bit of love, a little bit of family stuff, representation, which I always love seeing some representation. Yeah, we watched this over the last couple of days and
binged it. Yeah.
Binge watched it. It was really good.
There's going to be a second season coming soon too.
Yeah.
Since this is 2021 when it came out. So.
Yeah. So second season. It's TV 14, so it would be appropriate to watch. With your youngsters if you want. But yeah, if you've seen the Netflix series Arcane League of Legends, let me know what you thought of it. I would recommend this if you're looking for an action animated series.
Yeah.
Check this out
because it is 5 out of 5 for me.
For me, I would say 4 out of 5. Not quite hit the 5 out of 5 for me, but I would say easy, solid 4 out of 5.
Yeah,
I did really enjoy it. I really enjoyed it, and it's very much with the spirit of like social constructs and poor people versus rich people versus poor people kind of thing. Yeah, I thought it was really good. I enjoyed it thoroughly and highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments section below if you have ever tried watching an animated series before. Any at all. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.